Hi everybody, today I'm going to give you a 1-minute nighttime routine to melt your belly fat overnight. This simple and easy exercise will help you achieve a slim waist. This you can do just before sleeping. Calm, gentle movements. No standing, no jumping at all. This is ideal if you're a beginner, feeling lazy, or just want to follow a no-effort routine which actually works. So let's burn stubborn belly fat the relaxing way. While I'm going to share the simple and easy routine with you, I'm also going to share one amazing weight loss tip right at the end of the video. So don't forget to watch this video right through the end, because I'm going to give you an amazing weight loss tip to achieve a slim waist. But before we begin, I want to know, do you feel more active during the daytime or at night? I love reading all your comments. Each and every one of your comments makes my day. So don't forget to comment below. Like I mentioned, I'm going to show you this 1-minute routine. First, we will begin with the beginner-friendly level. So I hope you're nice and relaxed. Let's begin with the beginner-friendly level. It's so easy. You just have to lay straight in bed. Keep your core tucked in. This area has to be tucked in. It has to sunk in. So you have to keep these muscles engaged. And this is the main muscles that we are working on. You have to keep your toes pointing outwards, your core tucked in tight. Your hand will come behind your head. Well done. Now that you have already seen the beginner-friendly level, now let me take you a notch higher to the intermediate level. Now for the intermediate level, again you're going to lay straight with your core tucked in tight. You have to tuck in your tummy area. It has to go sunk in all the way to the bed. Well done. Now that you have already completed the beginner level, the intermediate level, do let me know in the comments which one was more enjoyable for you. And now let me take you a notch higher and show you the advanced level. I think it's amazing how you have graduated to the advanced level, but you don't have to do it all in a day. You can take your own slow time. First, learn to do the beginner level properly, then the intermediate, and now the advanced level. For the advanced level, again, we're going to tuck our core in tight. Well done. I hope you enjoyed the 3 different levels of this simple nighttime routine. It's so simple and so effective. Anyone watching can easily do it, and this is completely doable, so you have to stay persistent. Now, coming back to the weight loss tip, which I had promised you all that I'm going to give you at the end of the video. So this is the end of the video, and the tip is super effective to boost your metabolism. This not only boosts your metabolism, but it also helps you lose your stubborn belly fat. The best part about this particular herb, which is already available in your kitchen, is so easy that it will help you boost your metabolism, detoxify your body, and it will also help you curb your sugar cravings and get over overeating. And finally, maybe you should be able to follow portion control. All you have to do is, early in the morning, you have to consume this drink. But it has to be prepared one night earlier. So let me show you. So these small tiny seeds known as cumin seeds are present in your kitchen. If not, then please go and get it right away, because this is a magic potion for your slim waist. First, you have to take 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and soak it in 1 glass of water, which should be a regular glass of water with regular room temperature water, not too cold and not too warm. And then you have to keep this water overnight covered in your room. After that, in the morning, as soon as you wake up on an empty stomach, you have to heat this water in a saucepan with the seeds and make sure you strain it after that. The heating and the boiling point should be at least for 5 to 7 minutes, so you can easily get all the goodness of this very spice known as cumin into the water. Once you've strained it and it's really hot and warm, then please have it on an empty stomach every morning. It's not just going to boost your metabolism, but it's also an ancient herbal remedy present in Ayurveda ancient ages ago in India. So you don't have to worry, this has no side effects. And once you've consumed it after 1 hour, you're good to go and have your breakfast. Do try out this tip, it's super easy and super helpful. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this very video, and don't forget to share it with like-minded people. Also, if you wish to join my paid weight loss program, then all you have to do is click on the link given below and you can contact me directly, because I'm here to support you during your weight loss journey, see your transformation, and I'm going to build a team for you which will comprise a doctor, dietitian and a health counselor under my supervision. I'm going to see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.